Hey guys, what's going on? Pete here, and I'm bringing you yet another POV drive with the GTI. This POV drive is going to be on a little bit of a twisty mountainous road, and the speed limit is pretty relaxed. They don't really care if you do some crazy speeds, especially when it's not busy at this time. But regardless, it's going to be a little bit more interesting. I see a lot of comments saying, you know, go faster and, you know, do more interesting things with the car. And so here we go. I'm doing this for you guys who want to see a little bit more action with the GTI. And yeah, so we're going to wait a little bit longer. And I'll talk to you guys actually about the spark plugs that I just put in. I just put RS7 NGK spark plugs in the GTI, and they're phenomenal. They work so great. But they're OEM and RS7 plugs, so they come pre-gapped. It's so easy to do, and I totally recommend it if you guys are tuned. Looks like we have enough space. I'm gonna say that now, but then it's gonna I'm gonna be right behind that Silverado's bot. So, all right, well, cross your fingers and let's hope we have enough space. I'm gonna open the sunroof crease. It's actually already open, just for a little bit more noise. And here we go. Alright, like I said, it doesn't take much, does not take much, and he's actually going really quick, so it'd be kind of a jerk to just pass him. But anyway, I will find an opportunity. Maybe I'll slow down and do a little bit of a cut, and have some space again. But anyway, I just want to talk to you guys a little bit more about these NGK plugs for my GTI. They're really, really good. The cold starts are a lot more cleaner. Startups in general are a lot less choppy. It doesn't really fall on its face anymore, as far as just a little bit of power loss in there'd be times in the power band, if I was even cruising, I would just lose a little bit of power, and it doesn't do that anymore. So I'm pretty psyched about that. This really does complement the tune though. I'm noticing a little bit more oomph, and that's just me getting my power back too, just with these plugs. But it does kick a little bit harder, and honestly, it feels amazing, and I can't recommend it enough. I know there's other ways to go, and I want to try the next plugs I'm gonna get. I'm not gonna get these ones. I'm gonna try other ones, just to kind of every 10,000 miles, I'm just going to try as many as I possibly can. I want to try the RS3s next. Supposedly there's really not much of a difference, but I've heard otherwise. I've heard varied reports, so I don't know. I'll try them. I'll tell you guys how I like them, but So far I like these R7 plugs, they're really good. We'll turn off right here. Hopefully I'm not blocking anybody. I do that a lot. Yeah, but this thing is feeling really great. One of my next modifications, if it's not going to be lowering springs, it's going to be a sway bar. It corners super well, but I want to see how it feels if I improve the performance of the handling. I know regardless of however much time I give that guy, he's just going to be right in front of me again. And it's not his fault. He's actually going pretty fast. I'm just going mega fast. Alright, well, I think that's enough time. And for those of you guys out there who do these canyon runs or mountain runs, have your oil temperature right on standby, because whew, you'll be very grateful that you do. But I can start to feel a lot of things getting hot. Of course, I went up and then I'm going down now. So the brakes, even the DSG, I mean, it heats up. It's tuned too, so I mean, like, it's that added stress on everything. So yeah, I gotta look into stuff. I haven't had any problems with the DSG. It hasn't slipped though, so that's a good thing. Alright, now we're getting to a sort of a straight section here. I'm gonna catch up with him real quick. Actually, no, he's gone. Alright. Very, very, very fast. And loud. I gotta take care of that. I bought a resonator and I haven't put it in yet. And I keep telling you guys that I have it and I haven't put it in. Money plays a big role in my life. But I will put it in, and I'll tell you guys, you know me guys, I do a lot of exhaust videos. They're mostly because they're pretty easy to do, I'm not gonna lie. But just so you guys can hear it, one guy actually asked me when I'm gonna put it in. Actually, a lot of you guys asked me when I'm gonna put it in, and I haven't done it yet, but I will, bear with me. Yeah, but no slipping though. I'm in 5th gear and it's still pulling pretty good. It really makes me wonder, should I do the DSG tune? It's worth it. I know it's worth it, but I'm just questioning, should I do it? Wonder what's going on there. This thing is such a hoot.